Welcome to our channel. If you want to build wealth by paying yourself first, follow this quick guide to prioritize savings before spending. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income after taxes to determine how much you're working with for budgeting and savings purposes. Step 2. Decide on a savings percentage that's realistic for your situation. Financial experts typically recommend saving 10-20% of your income, but start with whatever you can manage. Step 3. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to savings account scheduled for the same day you receive your paycheck or shortly after. Step 4. Create separate savings accounts for different goals such as emergency fund, retirement, vacation, or down payment to keep your objectives organized. Step 5. Contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401k before your paycheck reaches your bank account, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Step 6. Treat your savings transfer as a non-negotiable bill that must be paid each month, just like rent or utilities, to build consistent saving habits. Step 7. Increase your savings rate gradually whenever you receive a raise, bonus, or reduce an expense. Even small increases compound significantly over time. Step 8. Review your budget monthly to ensure your pay-yourself-first strategy remains sustainable. Adjust the amount if necessary, but maintain the consistency of saving first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.